Good morning, students. Last time we had finished the lesson 6 verbs up to this point. Point K. The following verbs have the three forms present, past, and participle. Like, right? So we shall proceed further now. Bet, bead, cast, cost. All these have past, participle and present forms. These are just words given where the participle forms are not given, right? These are general words given. Cast, then cost, cut, hit, hurt, let, put. So cut and put, you know that it remains the same. Read, read, you just change the pronunciation, but the word remains the same, the spelling remains the same. Set, shut, split, spread, thrust, upset, all these words remain the same. Now further, some troublesome verbs. Born, born. Bear has the following forms: present, past and past participle. To give birth, that is to bear, bore or born. Then to carry, bear, bore or born. Karan was born in 2001. The Almirah was so heavy that it could be borne with great difficulty. Here borne means that it could be lifted with great difficulty because it is very heavy, right? So B-O-R-N-E, borne means that. Then further, hung, hanged. Hang has the following forms: to suspend, that is to hang. Hang, hung, hung. To put to death by tying a rope around the neck, that is hanged, या किसी को फांसी देना. Hang, hanged, hanged. Then the criminal was hanged. Examples, these are examples given, so please write them. The criminal was hanged. She hung the gown in the wardrobe. They hung the picture on the wall. Please write down these because they are very important. We won't realize otherwise. Under these two you have to write down all the examples here in your notebook so that you understand what are the forms given, right? Okay, further, next one, lie. Lie has the following forms: to rest or remain, that is lie, L-I-E, lie, lay or lain. To speak falsely, lie, laid, right? These two are important. To speak falsely मतलब झूठ बोलना, and lie, to remain, यानी to पड़े रहना, that is L-I-E, lie. I was tired, so I lay down for a little while, that is to rest. Let me lie here, to remain, right? मतलब मैं वहीं पे पड़े रहना. I know you lied to me, to speak falsely मतलब झूठ बोला. So write all these examples, they are important. Then to lay means to put or place something down. It forms lay, laid, right? Kindly lay the child in the bed, that is meaning what? Place, keep the child in the bed. I forgot I had laid the purse. Place or put down, right? This means what? To place or to put down. Further, note. When lay is present tense form, when lay is in the present tense form, it means to place. It is also the past tense of lie. Then next one is, underline this point, write it down because it's important. It is the past tense of lie. Then fell, next one. Fell is the past tense of fall. She collided with a cycle and fell down. But fell is also used in present tense. Then its meaning is to cause something to fall, and its forms are, when you are using it in the another tense, that is present tense, then its meaning is to make something fall, right? So fell, felled, felled. They felled the trees quite thoughtlessly. मतलब क्या होता है इसका? felled the trees मतलब उन्होंने बहुत thoughtlessly, बिना सोचे समझे trees को काट दिया. The wrestler felled him down quite easily मतलब wrestler ने उसको बहुत जोर से मारा जिसकी वजह से वो गिर गया. So this is the meaning of felled here. Then saw. Saw is the past tense of see, that is I saw a large crowd, but saw is also used in present tense when its meaning is to cut, or for example cut wood, and its forms are saw, sawed, sawn. That is lagana, rarely sawed, right? The chapter, the carpenter sawed the long wood. Here sawed the long wood मतलब लंबे wood के log को काट दिया, right? Further, rise, raise. To rise means to get up or to come up. To raise means to lift, right? All of us will rise to welcome the chief guest. That is meaning to get up. The sun rises in the east. To come up मतलब ऊपर आता है, right? Here we raised our hands in prayer. To lift मतलब यहाँ पे lift होता है, right? All the examples, it's important here because otherwise you won't understand the meaning in what sense different words are being used. So आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा. Now here is the exercise. So let us solve it. Now next is exercise 1. Let us start. Give the past and past participle forms for oral practice. Freeze. Number 1 is freeze, froze, frozen. Shake, shook, shaken. Seek, sought, sought. Spring, sprang, sprung. Spread, spread, spread. Spread का spread ही रहेगा. Then bite, bit, bitten. Lay, laid, laid. Quarrel, quarrelled, quarrelled. Then swim, swam, swum. Cling, clang, clung. Strike, struck, struck. Then led, lead, led, led. Blind, bind, bound, bound. Bid, bade, bid, bade, bidden. Learn, learnt, learnt or learned, learned is also correct. ed लगाओ या t लगाओ. Dream, dreamt, dreamt और dreamed, dreamed दोनों correct है. t लगाओ या d लगाओ. I will share the answer key of this exercise so that it becomes very clear to you. Then rid, rid, ridden. Shoot, shot, shot. Pay, paid, paid. Lend, lent, lent. Right? Now further, write the following passage using the past tense form of the past tense form use करना है आपको of the verbs given in the brackets. अभी ये brackets में आपको जो words दिए हुए हैं उसका past tense form हमें use करना है. So let us study. Young Ravi, shift का हो जाएगा shifted, right? Shifted into a new house with an old tree in the backyard. Many birds, flock का हो जाएगा flocked, FLOCKED, flocked. I am narrating the answers here. I will not share the answer key. Please be attentive, listen attentively and write it down in your textbook and then write in your notebook because ये आपको notebook में लिखना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको clearly पता नहीं चलेगा while reading, right? To his windows and he enjoy the sight of the birds. Enjoy will become enjoyed. Enjoyed, ed लगाना है वहाँ पर भी. Enjoyed the sight of birds. Every day Ravi hear का हो जाएगा heard, HEARD heard. Them chirp and spread their colorful wings. One day he bring का हो जाएगा brought, BROUGHT, brought. Bird feed and run towards a flock. Ran towards a flock. The birds got scared. Scare का हो जाएगा scared मतलब वो दौड़ा उनकी तरफ तो वो scared हो गए, डर गए. Scared and fly का हो जाएगा flew away. Ravi cry का हो जाएगा cried. रवि रोने लगा. Ravi cried and went का हो जाएगा went to his father. His father promised to help him. Promised, PROMISED, promised to help him. Then he fell the tree and chopped the wood. Fell the tree मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? He felled मतलब उन्होंने ट्री काट दिया. The tree and chopped, CHOPPED, chopped the wood. Then he build का हो जाएगा built, BUILT, built many bird houses and hang का हो जाएगा hung, HUNG, hung them around the house. Ravi wait for the birds to come. Ravi waited for the birds to come, but they never return. Return का हो जाएगा returned, right? Because क्यों नहीं आए birds वापस? Because trees को काट दिया गया था और उसकी जगह पे बर्ड हाउसेस बनाए गए थे, बट जहाँ नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट उनका घर होता है वहीं पे बर्ड्स आते हैं, सो दे डिड नॉट रिटर्न. नाउ there is a puzzle here in exercise 3. Solve the following puzzle using the past participle form of verbs given in the clues. Right now across मतलब हम लोग पहले across वाले करते हैं. horizontal flee का हो जाएगा fled, FLED fled. ride will become ridden, RIDDEN ridden. Then eat will become number 5 eaten. Withdraw will become withdrawn. Number 9 lend will become lent, LENT lent. And number 10 tell will become told. Now we shall do down key. Bear will become born, BORNE, born है यहाँ पे, that means carry, right? Deal will become dealt, number 3, DEALT dealt. Then swing will become swung, number 6, SWUNG swung. Then number 7 weep will become wept, number 7 weep, WEPT wept. And number 8 hold will become held, that is HELD held, right? Now here is the puzzle. I am just focusing on the completed puzzle. You can just note it down from here itself. I won't be sharing an answer key for this. You can see it clearly here itself. You can fill it up in the textbook. No need to write that in the notebook. Now with formation of verbs we will proceed next time. We stop here today.